blinding. Well, great.
No, I did not.
yeah. So it turned out, well, first the sailors were told that you have to make this line whether you like it or not. Because it's prevented surgery. But it took 70 years before the British admiral said, okay, I think it's okay now that we ought to give our sailors some lines to eat. To mean that preventative from being something that must be done because there wasn't any explanation. No one knew why lying would prevent this disease. And so somebody ignored the fact which was demonstrable. So that's one page out of...
And not much has changed.
No, nothing has changed. In terms of how human beings, and especially groups of human beings, react to unexpected observations that don't appear to have any easy explanation, we ignore it. And worse, we ridicule it, which is a very strong attention to simply make it vanish.
Any new, very powerful force, whether it would be atomic energy or we could consider many, seems to have some beneficial aspects and some negative aspects. And one might imagine that that would apply to this as well.
Absolutely. We're dealing with something like a fundamental element of the fabric of the universe. I have little doubt that it's something like that. We're not dealing with a minor scribble or a cosmic hiccup, as one of my colleagues said. But something which is really profound. And when you're dealing with something that is deeply engaged in the fabric of the universe, you need to be careful. So one of my colleagues is deeply interested in the notion of whether prayer, whether religious or secular, whether prayer affects health at a distance.
Oh, well, there are quite a few control-type experiments that have taken place, I believe, with prayer that are incredibly impressive that I've heard about. Is that true?
It is true. There are now a number of clinical studies, major medical schools going on, looking at the effects of prayer on all kinds of different health systems. Most of them are producing positive results. We have no idea what the mechanism is, how it works. And one of my colleagues who was interested in that specifically said that we have made the assumption that this is a healing phenomenon only. That is probably incorrect. Of course, it raises the entire issue about what is the dark side, what is the opposite polarity.
Well, before we even move as far as the dark side, let me ask you this. Has there been any attempt to delineate between groups who would pray and then, for example, non-secular groups who would attempt to heal by projecting white light or whatever means they would choose to focus their concentration? I don't really think it matters whether it's white light or you are just projecting good feelings or healing feelings or whatever it is. Has anybody ever attempted to delineate between the religious groups in prayer and groups simply in meditative attempts to heal?
So it's been an active avoidance.
I bet.
For all you can imagine.
Yes, I get
Because we
that.
don't want to have a study coming out saying that this particular religious group is getting better results than that one. So most of the clinical studies that are...
Or even worse yet, that a totally non-religious group or even a group of atheists has results equal to those who pray to God.
That's right. Yeah, but nevertheless, all of the clinical studies to date that I know of, or most of them anyway, have made a very serious attempt to bring in as many different kinds of healing modalities as there are at the time, including religious and non-religious. Assign the different healers to target their intention, their healing intention at someone at a distance, so that the person who is receiving the healing is doing it more or less continuously, but from different people at different times, and different types of healing. And so the final result is a homogenized form of healing intention and stripping out the religious connotations and the other elements that we're not quite ready to study yet.
Why does it work?
Well, the issue is mechanism, and that's one of the reasons why the National Institutes of Health is now funding some of these studies to specifically look at both the clinical efficacy, does it work, and the second question is, why does it work?